I've set a new camera mount up above my welding bench so I can get some better shots of welding. I can also use the same camera for getting shots in the vise. This is actually the lens out of the new Artec helmet I've been playing with this week. That goes in there, camera goes behind there. I did get some decent arc shots. I'll put one or two of them in the video later on. I spent quite a bit of time setting this up to get a nice sturdy mount. It's completely adjustable. It can do basically anything I want it to do. Similar to the one I got above the lathe. It's just held on there with a clamp and it can slide anywhere up and down the bar. Start amp's 40, 150 amp welding amp, main welding amp, 35% balance with 80 Hz. I've been wondering what sort of flywheel to put on this engine. I was sort of thinking about putting a solid disc flywheel on it and making it into a marine engine, but I saw two stationary engines last weekend and they had a spoke type flywheel on and they look really nice. I have got 4 of these big spoke cart wheels. I was intending making a cart for Deb's Lister with them and I never got round to it. And when I look at them, I think the proportion of the wheel, it'll be quite nice to make a flywheel for this engine because it did have big flywheels on. I've tried to get this in the chuck on me Harrison lathe. I can't get it in. I could possibly bolt it onto a faceplate and take the gap out of the bed, but I don't want to do that. So what I did, I gave one of these to my friend Scott, True Precision Engineering, and I asked Scott if he could just face it up and just knock half an inch off each side and then bore the centre to inch to fit the crankshaft. Scott actually called in with it today. I'll show you it and I'm really pleased with the job he's done on it. That's it there, dressed up. Being thinner, it looks a lot more in proportion. I've got quite a lot of fettling work to do around here to grind some of the casting marks off, but I think it's going to be a really nice flywheel on the engine. I'll try it on just to show you what it's going to be looking like. He really has bored that to be a superb fit on that shaft. Really is nice. So that's going to kind of be the flywheel on the engine. You can see it's running lovely and true. I'm absolutely over the moon with that. Really happy. This is going to be keyed onto the end of the crankshaft. I have got a 3/16 broach and I've got some 3/16 key steel. What I haven't got is a broach guide. I'll have to make a guide to guide the broach down through there. I haven't got a set of broaches. I've just got odd ones I've bought at car boot sales I've been given. But I think 3/16 is going to be a nice sort of size key to put in there. So I'll get a bit of material and we'll make a guide to go in there. That's the sort of thing I need to make. Obviously it's got to be a good fit in there. That goes into there and your broach goes down through there. You press the broach down and you put shims in behind it, and the shims push the broach further and further into the key. So I need to make one of them that's a good fit in there. Right, I've got a suitable piece of bar in here. Square the end up. Quite a simple turn operation to make one of these. See the tool very slightly below the centre. That's better. so it needs to be 2 1/4 inches long. I just put a mark on it, 2 1/4, so I know where to stop. That's where the shoulder is. They're coming off there fairly warm. I've slowed the feed rate down. It's making better chips and certainly puts a better finish on. There's 18 thou to come off that. It's warm, so I'm going to let it cool down. I'm going to turn the tip round so it's got a new corner on it. I've got a piece of inch silver steel bar, which is the perfect fit in the flywheel. That's what Scott machined it to fit, and I've used my 2-inch make, and it's showing exactly 1 inch on the bar, so I know that the make's going to be accurate. I need 18 thou to come off that. I'll take a 5 thou cut, which is going to take 10 off it, just to see what sort of finish it puts on. Touch this off. Just touch in there. Right, we'll take a 5 thou cut in. Oh, it's the same size of both ends, that's always a help. Just 7 thou to come off it. I'll let it cool down. Put a 3 thou cut on and probably a polish with any tape, and that's going to bring us dead on the inch. And using the 1 inch make, it's the same in the same reading. 7 thou to come off. I don't use this DRO operator on the lathe, but it's handy when you're working in imperial. We want 3 thou. 1, 2. On the big side, the 10th's too big. Right, final cut. That's still showing 2 thou big. You can see you can't take light cuts with carbide, well that's a light cut. Right, and that's dead on inch. Little chamfer on the two edges. Turn the feeling up a little bit there. I've actually got my hand on my clip, as you can well imagine. I think that's a turn and done, as long as it fits. Tried on the flywheel and then I need a slot machine into it. Right, the moment of truth, and that is absolutely spot on. Yeah, so now they're all floating free now, yeah. Yeah, 10 logs, yeah.
That's if they all floated, they're hemlocks, so they all don't float either. It's just a series of gear, and the propeller gear spins around the main shaft that comes down at the bottom. It's all this, but simple, really. But effective as hell. We'll cut through a 4-foot or a 5-foot diameter log. Are you inches or feet in England?
material. Yeah, we'll cut up to a 5-foot log on this.
Yeah.
If it's bigger than 5 foot, we'll use that with that chainsaw. We'll cut that with the chainsaw, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that saw is about a 1/4 inch thick. 250 yeah. You could be walking by here. Look at that. You could be walking down there and get hit. Yeah. We're working on safety. I'm sort of the safety manager here, being the superintendent, but we've done a lot of good stuff in the last 3 years. Still got a ways to go. Yeah, this area is sort of a, like a more safe one to do a tour with me, I'd say. That stays one dog, but that's just not only search. Go in 6 inches, or you'll decide. Everything's manual.
Okay. So the back cut change.
Yeah. Now you've got an idea, and then you'll turn it. You'll do this phase, you'll flip it again to the 3rd phase.
Yeah,
That's for the size, yeah. Approximately, yeah.
We'll be able to see it from the top.
Yeah. There you go. So JJ is one of our senior operators. This is the bull edger. This is probably the toughest job in the mill. So he'll take the cants, the flitches from the head rig, and he'll assess everything. Grade, length, thickness, and he'll decide what to do with it. Some he sends straight through his machine. He's got 5 shifting saws, right? He's manually setting the saws up for every cant, for every foot. And
like this edge here, what are you getting out of that? 2x4?
Yeah, like he'll decide. Like he's got his grid over here. Like it's very complex. Like some he'll send to the small gang, which is over here. Some he'll send to the big gang. We've got different thicknesses set up in both gangs. Some he'll process straight through. He'll shift his sizes and. Customers bring in their own logs, they sell their own logs. So,
Yeah.
So,
You cut it to your dimensions
we cut it,
and
we
then
cut,
wash
yeah.
your hands with it.
Cut how much?
Around 360 degrees.
So that proper turn, 360, yeah?
360, yeah. All day long, you can just keep going around in a circle.
No messing around here. Like feel that. Razor sharp, eh?
So these ones have been filed?
Yeah. They might even be new, brand new. Nice and sharp, eh? And they'll hammer them here. The saws have tension. So when We've only got 6 months left, you'll take it.
I don't care, it's good.
once again, it just remains to say thanks very much for watching, thanks for subscribing, and a massive thanks as always for all the well wishes that are coming in towards my wife and my dad. Thanks very much.